Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to test for dissolved oxygen in water, helping you understand this vital aspect of aquatic health. Dissolved oxygen, or DO, is crucial for fish, insects, and other aquatic organisms to breathe. It directly indicates the overall health and quality of a water body, whether it is a pond, river, or even an aquarium. Understanding this measurement is a key step to protecting our water environments. To begin, you will need a reliable dissolved oxygen test kit, which is easily available online or at most science supply stores. Also gather a clean, non-reactive sample bottle and a thermometer. Many kits include all necessary reagents, and some even provide a sample bottle. Ensure your kit is not expired, as the chemical reagents can lose their effectiveness over time. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and accurate testing process. When collecting your water sample, the most important rule is to avoid introducing any air bubbles, which would skew your results. Submerge your sample bottle completely, allowing it to fill slowly from below the surface. Collect the water from a depth of about 6 to 12 inches, ensuring you are not just skimming the very top. Test the sample immediately after collection. Delays can significantly alter the dissolved oxygen content before you even begin the test. Follow your specific dissolved oxygen test kit instructions carefully, as procedures can vary slightly between brands. Generally, you will add a precise number of drops from 2 or 3 different chemical reagents to your water sample. Gently invert or swirl the bottle to mix the chemicals, allowing time for the reaction to occur. You will observe a distinct color change in your sample, which is key to measuring the oxygen content. This chemical reaction makes the dissolved oxygen visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.